Want to turn your photography into extra cash in 2026? Today, I'm showing you how to get started on Alamy, one of the largest stock media platforms on the web. If you're tired of platforms flooded with AI images, you'll love this. Alamy's photography section proudly focuses on authentic, diverse content created by real people around the world. Their rule is simple: no AI-generated content, just real life and real images. With over 457 million photos, vectors, and videos on the platform, the audience reach here is absolutely massive. To get started, head over to alamy.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage, and under the Sell Your Content section, click on Become a Contributor. From there, you can set up your free account and start uploading. Alamy accepts a wide range of media, from standard creative photos and vectors to 360-degree panoramic images and premium 4K videos. They even have dedicated sections for editorial archives and live news, meaning there is a market for almost every type of photography. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Alamy gives you access to a huge global network of buyers and partners, and their new Smart Search tool makes it easier for customers to discover your work. They also highly value human creativity over AI. On the downside, because we don't have a direct feed of user reviews to share today, we have to look at the general nature of stock sites. With over 450 million files on the platform, competition is incredibly high. It takes time, consistent uploading, and excellent keyword tagging to stand out and make consistent sales. Our final take: if you want a platform that respects real photography and gives you global reach, Alamy is definitely worth adding to your list of side hustles this year. Have you tried selling on Alamy yet? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.